Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix your property taxes with H&R Block, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, gather your property tax documents. These will include your tax bill and any previous tax returns. Next, visit the H&R Block website. Click on the Property Taxes section. Here, you will find information on how to adjust your property taxes. If you have an account, log in with your credentials. If you are new, create a new account by providing your information. Once logged in, navigate to the Start a New Return option. Select the option for Property Tax Adjustments. Follow the prompts to enter your property details. Make sure to enter the assessed value of your home. Review any exemptions you qualify for, such as homestead exemptions. Fill in the required information about your local tax rates. Check for any recent changes in property tax laws in your area. After entering all required data, click on Calculate. Review the estimated tax adjustments. If you see discrepancies, gather additional documentation to support your claim. Submit your information for review by H&R Block professionals. Wait for confirmation of your submission via email. Once you receive confirmation, monitor your email for updates on your claim. If additional information is needed, respond promptly to any inquiries. Track the progress of your property tax adjustment in your H&R Block account. Finally, review the adjusted tax bill once it's processed. Make note of any changes for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.